How to get Chipotle promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open any web browser you want. Now on the search bar, search for Chipotle promo code. Here you can find different websites where the Chipotle promo code is being offered. You simply want to click on any of the reliable websites. I'm going to choose the Time Magazine one. This is time.com. Here you can find different Chipotle coupons. You simply have to scroll down and find the option which is best for you. Once you have found it, simply tap on Show Coupon. And here you can very easily get your coupon code. Tap on Copy and then you can head over to Chipotle's website and use this while checking out, or you can tap on View Discount at Chipotle and that's directly going to bring you to the Chipotle website. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.